Oh, I thought I was recording a minute ago and I wasn't. Is it dirty? You cleaning?
Brush, that's correct. Oh, okay, I'll get it out of your way so you can clean good. Want some more chili? Only after the work's done, huh? What color is the sponge? What color is the sponge?
Blue, that's right.
Okay, to get it clean?
Is it done? All done?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. You did a good job.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep, you did a good job. You want some more chili? You want some more of your chili? Oh. That's Papa J's. That's Papa J's medicine. We don't play with that.
Papa, Mimi. Papa.
Yeah, Papa's. Where's your chili?
Mimi. Mimi.
I don't know if that's a wise idea or not. Oh, we're going to put the lid on this one. Oh, okay.
Trying to put your hand underneath so it doesn't spill? Yeah. You need Mimi's help?
You need me to help you?
Yeah.
No?
Whoa.
Sponge.
Yeah.
Say sponge. No, wait, no. Alex, I'm going to have to go. Is that lady going to take you home?
No, Mimi got you dirty. She's taking you home. Mimi got you dirty and ruined your dinner.
See, if you take him home, you can blame it on Mimi. Oh, what, Ashton? Oh, is it all done? Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Say you're welcome, Mimi.
Papa, Mimi.
That's Ashton's food.